Alright, in this video we're going to take it looking at adding hidden lines in a 2D SOLIDWORKS drawing. So once you're done with the drawing except for your hidden lines, we need to represent this circle as if we were looking at it from the side. So you can't actually see the hole for where the circle is, but we want to represent that there is a hole going through right here using hidden lines. So to do that, we're going to need to add a dashed line. We're going to need a different toolbar. So if you come down to the bottom, it should say SOLIDWORKS Education Edition. If you right click right next to that, so down here at the bottom, right in here somewhere, then you'll get a bunch of different toolbar options. We need to find the line format tool. Okay, so when I click that, I'm going to get these options right here. The only one we're going to need is this line style. And when we click that, we're going to change that to dashed. Now, when I put a line in, instead of being a straight line, it'll be a dashed line, which is what we want. So now I can draw in two lines for my hidden lines. The only things you need to make sure are that it's connected to the top and the bottom, and then it is a straight line. So these ones should be perfectly horizontal, and the ones up here should be perfectly vertical, up and down. Alright, next thing we're going to use is what's called a relation. So if you click on the line, hold the shift key down, and click on your circle. Now you have both of those selected. And if you click on tangent over here in the property manager, that will connect your line to the edge of the circle. So we're going to have to do that for the rest of these lines. So click off in the gray area on the side, select the line, hold shift, select the circle, and then you're going to select tangent over in the property manager. See how that lines that line up? Now before you do this, you have to make sure that you have your smart dimensions in for this circle. If this circle can move around, then these lines can move around, and you don't want to do that. Alright, let me show you what happens if you don't have your lines straight. So if my line is not straight, and then I try to make a tangent, okay, that's going to mess up my other pieces. So if that happens, just hit Control Z, and you'll have to make this line horizontal, which you can use over in the property manager again. Okay, so make that horizontal first. You also want to make sure you have your smart dimensions in so these don't change. Okay, then I'm going to select my line, my circle, and click on tangent. Okay, same thing with the bottom one. Click the line, hold shift, click the circle, and make that tangent. Then once you have all four of those put into place, then you're showing that the circle cuts all the way through each of the top view and the side view. Alright, that was a quick video showing you how to use hidden lines in 2D drawings.